Hi students, I'm sharing the sample answer of yesterday's task that was an real examination. The task was maintaining public libraries is a waste of money since computer technology can replace their functions. Do you agree or disagree? So I have given more points in essay so that you can get some more ideas. Otherwise, though points are enough in agree or disagreement essay. You just need to work on explanation. So I also have highlighted some of the English phrases and vocabulary words and linking words that you can use in your writing task too.